Hello everyone! Diagonally divide the front portion of the hair and at the back tie a ponytail. After tying a ponytail, make a normal braid at the back. Roll this upwards and then fasten it in its place. Tie a ponytail at the bottom and then divide the hair into two sections. Twist it and then lift it up. Divide the hair into four sections and then make a braid out of it. Use all the four sections in order to make this braid. Alternate between the third piece. Loosen it using your fingers and then roll it up and fasten it in its place. Start off by tying a ponytail, section off part of the hair. Divide the bottom part into three sections. Do the same with the top, roll each of the sections in on themselves as such. Lift it all up together and then tie it up using a rubber band. Taking the remaining portions of the hair, make another braid about it and roll it up. Take two sections from either side of the hair, tie a rubber band at the top, add another rubber band in the middle, and then roll the hair in on itself twice. Take two more sections from either side, tie it up at the back, roll it in on itself as such. Lift it up and then make a heart shape out of this. Repeat this for a third time. Add decorative clips once you're done. Start off by tying a ponytail, then add a rubber band at the bottom as such. Roll this upwards. Next, start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side and join it at the back. Make a braid with the bottom, loosen one side of it using your fingers and roll it up as a flower. With the rest of the hair, make a low braid as such. Tie a ponytail and then insert the stick through one of the sections. Add sections of the hair and pull it through. Using each of the sections, twist them one on top of the other and make a different kind of braid. Roll the braid up once you are done with it. Take two sections from either side of the hair and then tie it up at the back. Add a rubber band in the middle and then roll the hair in on itself. Roll it up the top as well and then make a small bow-like shape out of it. Make a braid in the side. Do this on either side, join it at the back. Lift it up and then fasten it in its place. Thank you for watching.